Hello everyone! I came to March near my house to buy ingredients for today's cooking. Then would you like to go shopping with me? This is tteokbokki 떡, one of the main ingredients for today. There are many types of tteokbokki, for example, tteokbokki made of flour, tteokbokki made of rice, instant tteokbokki, Vienna sausage, fish cake tteokbokki, soup tteokbokki, spam noodle tteokbokki, spicy carbonara noodle tteokbokki. Wow, there are so many kinds. Koreans like to eat tteokbokki rice cake with fish cake, so I will get one. You may or may not add the Vienna sausage, so I'm going to use some for today's dish. There are also many kinds of Vienna sausage. Today I will choose this. Let's go! Step 1. Making tteokbokki sauce. Add 2 tablespoons of red pepper powder. Put 2 tablespoons of red pepper paste. Put 2 tablespoons of sugar. Add 3 tablespoons of corn syrup. Add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce and add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Mix all the seasonings well. The rice cake sauce is done. I will leave the sauce to rest while I prepare other ingredients. Step 2. Prepare the ingredients for the rice cake. There are 2 types of rice cakes I bought at the mart. One is rice cake made with flour, and the other is rice cake made with rice. I usually make a tteokbokki with rice cake, but today I will make a tteokbokki with rice cake made of flour. Cut the leek in half like this and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Likewise, cut the green part into bite-sized pieces. If you don't have a leek, you can use green onions. I'll chop this leek and use it as a garnish later. Cut half the onion into this size. I didn't put it in today's ingredients, but it's good if you add cabbage as well. Cut the fish cake in half and in half again. Cut the half into squares and the other half into triangles. You can cut it as you like. In this way, all the ingredients for the rice cake tteokbokki are ready. Step 3. Cooking. First, add 3 cups of water to the pan and add the sauce you just made. Stir until the water and sauce are well mixed. When the sauce is well dissolved, add the sliced onion first. Also add the white part of the leek and put the rice cake, add the fish cake, and add the Vienna sausage. Also add the boiled eggs. Boil all ingredients well. When the rice cake starts to boil, set the heat over medium-high and stir well. When the rice cake is boiled to some extent and the consistency is a bit thick, add the green onions. Mix well. Boil it for another 2 minutes. The rice cake is being cooked very deliciously. Let me try rice cake. So yummy. Spicy, sweet flavor, soft and chewy texture. Let me have a fish cake. So tasty. It's spicy, but I can't stop eating. It's very addictive. You should try this.